Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about Campaign 22. And on the front cover is our newest fragrance called Velvet. It is notes of fig, rose, and patchouli. And when you get it, you get the shower gel and the lotion and this beautiful bottle of velvet. And notice this around here, it's actual velvet around there. Velvet is really big right now. And in fact, we have some really beautiful, make sure you don't forget, we have a scratch and sniff in the catalog. Oh, wrong page. Scratch and sniff. So if you don't get a sample of it, you can smell it in the catalog. We do have a scratch and sniff. But look at this gorgeous. If you are going to have a wedding this winter, would that ever be the most awesome, right here, that dress for your bridesmaids? I think it is gorgeous. And I have on this gorgeous choker that is in the catalog, and it's like $12.99. And then this ring is also in there, and the faucets in it are just really, really kind of wonderful. And it's $19.99. And let's kind of start from all over the place. And the shirt that I have on. It's the one that's in the catalog. It's our long sleeve shirt, and it has 3 buttons here. It comes in 4 different colors. So yes, you get your nice winter clothes. We have to put winter on today. We're supposed to get up to 47. It's like in the 30s now. We were getting snow earlier. Doesn't look like it's finally being quit because I have to take off after a bit. And so we're going to get drier and drier because of this wonderful weather we're going to get. And our skin's so soft. The 25-ounce size, it's one of our wow products. It's normally $27, on sale for $12.99. Is that awesome or what? And it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month starting in October. And so we have this beautiful angel wings necklace. It has silver CZs in it. And they are $10. And a couple other of the breast cancer things that we have are the breast cancer pin, and look how nice and big that one is. This one says Hope on it, and it has the pink CZs on the ribbon as well. And then we also have lots of things. And one of the things that's in there is pink tennis shoes that have the pink ribbons on them. And one of my reps got those and wore them to our Home for the Holidays event that we just had. And those were so darn cute on her. And then we also have the pink rope bracelet, and those are $5. Some of the other things, Halloween's coming. So we have Halloween, all kinds of decoration kind of stuff as jewelry. These are pumpkins, and they have little black and orange beads on those. And some of the other jewelry that we have is this gorgeous ring. See if you can see. It has this side. It's kind of fun. This one is. I'm going to take it off so I can show it to you. This one has all kinds of faucets on it, little smaller stones of the CZs. But look at this. You can turn it around, and you get. Hi, Boone. That's one of our cats. Let's come and say hi to you. As well as this big solitaire stone. So depending on which one you want to do it, it's gorgeous. And we also have a special little jewelry flyer. And in that one are these earrings. Have you been noticing these, how gorgeous these are? The tons and tons of stones on them. They're $14.99. Are they a statement piece or what? And I've seen people wear these kind of earrings just for everyday kind of things too, not just super dressy up. And I'm one of those too, because today I put on some glitzy red stone earrings and have the CZs around it to match my necklace. We also have some stackable rings that are in that little flyer. And then we also have in the outlet flyer, in our outlets, we have some of our fun charms you can put on necklaces and bracelets. Those are on great sale too. Makeup. Some of the makeup things that we have, like I said, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we have our nourishing lipsticks. They come in all kinds of colors, and they have some great nourishment in them, some great vitamins and such to help nourish your lips. And part of that money goes to the breast cancer, for our breast cancer crusade. So do think about getting those. Just to, I mean, you're gonna get, if you get lipstick anyway, why not get something that goes to a great cause? And then we have our contouring sticks. I told you about them last time. This has a lighter end. You can see the lighter end, and then on the other end, it's darker. And I use, since these came out and I learned about them, I have been using these on like a daily basis. They really are fantastic. Like in the catalog, it shows you where to put these, and they're on sale. Last time was the first time they've been on sale since they came out. They're on sale for $9.99. So great time to get those in play. Oh, and this ring that I'm wearing, it does come in a really pretty velvety box. So we can see that. And remember, you can always get, if you have a $40 purchase, you get what's on the back of the catalog for $10. This is our A box this time. It's valued at $33. You get eyeliner, an eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow, and a lipstick, and then velvet earrings, because velvet skin, and they are velvet studs in this same color as the perfume. So, see what else? Oh, Dazzle Drops. They are also on sale. If you're wanting to, they have a little dropper, so you can. Look at this really good. You can just put how much ever you want. You can put it in with your moisturizer. You can just put it on your face, or just put it on the spots that you want to highlight. Since we're going to start losing our color from not getting as much of the sun from the summer, that's a way to still keep that. Aspira vitamins. We have the kids line, and if you haven't tried the kids line, make sure you do. We have no artificial sweeteners. Our sweeteners are good for your teeth. We have no preservatives, colors, or flavors, and it's a fruit and vegetable blend. You get 30 of them for $10. They're chewable. And of course, we have all of our other Aspira things. I do use a lot of them. One of the things that's in the outlet is, and I didn't see it in the catalog, so make sure you look in the catalog. Every once in a while I miss something when somebody orders it. It's like, I didn't see that. But this was in the living section. This little journal says, I got this. Is this ever cool? And it has like all kinds of empty pages, and it has a band to go around it. And it also has the, so you can keep track of what page you're on. $7.99. And you know me, I love to talk about skincare. A couple of the skincare items that I'm going to talk about is our extra strength resurfacing pads, and they come in a deal of, I think, 45 pads, I think, like that. And it's just a pad. One side it has like a little bumpies on it, the other is smooth. Use the bumpy side, and it helps exfoliate all that dead skin. And a lot of people forget to do that exfoliating, and that helps with your skin and be able to absorb your moisturizer. So if your moisturizer is like rolling, well, maybe you have too much dead skin on your face, and you need to exfoliate so that your moisturizer can actually get into your skin, so you can stay looking young. And we also have people that have acne, even adult acne as well. But we have this cool little professional line. It used to be in the new line. Now it's called Clear Skin Professional. And you get a scrub, a moisturizer, and toner pads. And you can buy them all separate. Last time they were on sale for $19.99, the whole set. They came in this whole box. And this time you can buy them each individually separately. And if you do get blackheads or whiteheads, please do not pinch them. There's tools for that. This one has a little wire on the end to get those whiteheads, and then it has like a little cup thing that you put over. You have the blackheads, and you push on it. It helps get those zits out of it. And so those are in that line as well. And what else do I have? We have a special little catalog. So if I just get so many of them. So all these little flyers. But this one is called Go Figure. And we have all kinds of underwears and slimming kind of different kind of products. But one of the things that's in there is our underwear. And you get 2 pair, the beige and the black. And notice that it has like it has the support right here up through there. And these kind of underwear, I used to wear them when I was really thin all the time, but I quit and then I started wearing these some of these kind of things lately. If you have hernias, yeah, personal. But if you do, this helps keep them in place, and I'm hoping that mine will get back and shrink and get rid of that thing, but we'll see. But those are good for that, and this comes in a 2-pair pack. Both pairs for $16.99. And I do have some of the velvet in stock. So if you're wanting it early for a present or just to start using it now, let me know. So Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and Master Recruiter with Avon. Thanks for watching and have a very blessed day. Thanks.